In this lesson, we are going to discuss about concept of experiments, outcomes, events, sample space, and random selections. Experiment. Experiment is to describe any process that generates raw data or outcomes. For example, in the experiment of tossing a coin once, tossing a coin twice, rolling a die once, and taking a driving test. Outcomes. The outcomes are the result of the experiment. Event. The event is the set of outcomes of the experiment. What is sample space? The sample space is the collection of all the possible outcomes and is denoted by capital letter S. Let's look at the following example. In the experiment of tossing a coin once, there are two possible outcomes, head or tail. We can write all the possible outcomes into sample space with set notation. S is equals to head, tail. Tossing a coin twice, there are four possible outcomes, head, 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 tail, tail, head, and tail, tail. List out all the possible outcomes into sample space. Rolling a die once, there are 6 possible outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the sample space, taking a driving test, there are 2 possible outcomes, pass or fail. The sample space random selection. The random selection is the selection of outcomes from the sample space in which each outcome has an equal chance of being selected. In other words, no bias occurs in the process of selection. For example, there are 10 people here. How to select randomly 5 people from the 10 people? First of all, we can assign each person with a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we can use a random number generator to generate randomly 5 people from this group of people. This is a random number generator from a website. Since we had assigned 10 numbers to 10 people from number 1 to number 10, the lower limit is 1 and upper limit is 10. We want to generate 5 numbers out of 10 numbers. Take no duplication in result. Take ascending order. Take integer and then generate. There are 5 numbers selected randomly from the 10 numbers. They are 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. In this process, does not involve human being factor and no bias. Therefore, every person has same chance or equal chance to be selected.